Hey everyone! Are you searching for the ideal laptop to power through your student life in 2024? Today we're comparing three top contenders, the Dell XPS 13, the MacBook Air M2, and the HP Envy 13 x360. Each of these laptops has unique features and strengths, but the big question is, which one is the perfect fit for your academic journey? Stick around because by the end of this video, I'll reveal which laptop comes out on top for your student needs. Let's get started! The Dell XPS 13 is a highly recommended laptop for students, offering a blend of performance, portability, and value. It is powered by up to the 12th generation Intel Core i7 processors and Intel Iris Xe graphics, providing robust performance for typical academic tasks such as multitasking, web browsing, and word processing. However, its integrated graphics may not handle more intensive tasks like video editing or 3D modeling as efficiently as laptops with dedicated GPUs. The XPS 13 comes with up to 32 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and up to 1 TB of M2 PCIe SSD storage, ensuring fast performance and ample space for documents, applications, and media. The laptop offers two display options, a 13.4-inch FHD Plus Infinity Edge non-touchscreen and a 13.4-inch UHD Plus Infinity Edge touch display. Both options provide excellent color accuracy and brightness, suitable for reading, research, and media consumption. The UHD Plus option is particularly beneficial for students in graphic design or media studies due to its higher resolution and touch capability. Portability is a key strength of the XPS 13. Weighing around 2.8 pounds and measuring only 0.58 inches in thickness, it is easy to carry around campus. Despite its compact size, it offers a comfortable typing experience with a well-designed keyboard and a large, responsive touchpad. The laptop's battery life is impressive, typically lasting through a full day of classes and study sessions on a single charge. In terms of connectivity, the XPS 13 features two Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, a micro SD card reader, and a headphone jack. While this minimalist approach helps keep the laptop thin and light, it may require the use of adapters or hubs for additional connectivity needs. The design of the Dell XPS 13 is sleek and modern, with a durable aluminum body and a carbon fiber palm rest. However, some users might find the redesign controversial if they prefer the aesthetics of older XPS 13 models. Despite this, the overall build quality is excellent, making it a premium-feeling device at a sensible price point. The MacBook Air M2 is a top choice for students, especially those with creative ambitions. With its sleek design, impressive performance, and exceptional battery life, it stands out as a reliable companion for both academic and creative pursuits. Powered by the Apple M2 chip, the MacBook Air M2 delivers remarkable performance. The 8-core CPU and integrated 8 and 10-core GPU ensure that it can handle a wide range of tasks, from everyday activities like web browsing and word processing to more demanding creative projects such as 3D design, digital art, video editing, and animation. The M2 chip provides the necessary power and efficiency, making this laptop a suitable choice for creative students who need robust processing capabilities. The design of the MacBook Air M2 is another highlight. It features a slick redesign with a larger 13.6-inch liquid retina display offering a resolution of 2560 by 1664. This screen provides vibrant colors and sharp details which are essential for any visual arts work. The laptop is incredibly thin and light, making it highly portable for students who need to carry it around campus. Despite its slim profile, the build quality is outstanding, maintaining the premium feel that Apple is known for. One of the most significant advantages of the MacBook Air M2 is its battery life. It can easily last through a full day of classes and creative work, reducing the need to constantly recharge. This long battery life is particularly beneficial for students with busy schedules and extended study sessions. However, there are a few downsides to consider. The MacBook Air M2 comes with a higher price tag, reflecting the Apple tax associated with its premium features. While the 2020 M1 MacBook Air offers better value, the M2 model justifies its price with enhanced performance and a bigger display. Another potential drawback is the limited number of ports, with only two Thunderbolt ports available. This minimalist design choice might require the use of adapters for additional connectivity needs. The HP Envy 13 x360 is a versatile and capable laptop that is particularly well suited for students, especially those who enjoy working outdoors. With its robust performance, impressive battery life, and vibrant OLED display, it offers a strong package for both academic and creative tasks. Powered by 12th Gen Intel Core i5 or Core i7 processors and Intel Iris Xe graphics, the HP Envy 13 x360 handles a range of tasks with ease. Whether you're running spreadsheets, word processors, or participating in conference calls, this laptop can manage multitasking smoothly. It performs well even with multiple browser tabs open and videos playing, making it ideal for the varied needs of student life. The 13.3-inch Full HD OLED touchscreen is one of the highlights of this laptop. With a brightness of 400 nits, the display remains clear and vibrant even in outdoor settings, which is great for students who prefer to study or work outside. The OLED technology enhances the viewing experience with rich colors and deep contrasts, perfect for media consumption and creative projects. Portability is another key feature of the HP Envy 13 x360. Its lightweight and slim design make it easy to carry around campus or to your favorite cafe. The 2-in-1 functionality allows you to switch between laptop and tablet modes effortlessly, adding versatility for taking notes, sketching, or giving presentations. Battery life on the HP Envy 13 x360 is impressive, with the laptop lasting over 9 hours in movie playback tests. This ensures that students can get through a full day of classes and study sessions without needing to recharge frequently, which is a significant advantage for those with busy schedules. The build quality of the HP Envy 13 x360 is solid, featuring a sturdy keyboard that provides a comfortable typing experience. The design is practical and functional, though it might not appeal to those looking for a more flashy aesthetic. The laptop offers a good selection of ports, including multiple USB ports and a micro SD card reader, but it lacks an HDMI port, which could be a drawback for some users. One area where the Envy 13 x360 falls short is the touchpad. While it is functional, it can be a bit inconsistent and lacks the responsiveness found in higher-end laptops. This might be a minor inconvenience for students who rely heavily on touchpad navigation. In 2024, when considering the best laptop for students among the Dell XPS 13, MacBook Air M2, and HP Envy 13 x360, each option brings distinct strengths tailored to different student needs. The Dell XPS 13 remains a highly recommended choice for its balanced blend of performance, portability, and value. Its compact design, excellent battery life, and premium build quality make it a practical and sensible option for students seeking a versatile and dependable laptop. The MacBook Air M2 stands out for creative students who require robust performance for tasks like video editing, graphic design, or animation. With its powerful Apple M2 chip, vibrant liquid retina display, and exceptional battery life, it offers a premium experience tailored to creative endeavors. However, its higher price tag and limited port options may deter budget-conscious students or those with extensive connectivity needs. The HP Envy 13 x360 excels in versatility and outdoor usability, making it a strong contender for students who prioritize flexibility and portability. With its solid performance, vibrant OLED display, and impressive battery life, it offers great value for its price. While its touchpad may be less responsive compared to higher-end models, its practical design and varied port selection cater well to student needs, particularly for those on a budget or who prefer working in diverse environments.